What is up, you guys? It's your girl Juju back at it again with a YouTube video. And today I have my sisters with me. Introduce yourselves.
My name is Delilah. I'm the last born child. And I'm
Next.
Hi, I'm Jasmine.
Next.
I'm April.
Okay. And today we are gonna be trying snacks from around the world.
Yay! Let's start with India.
So who wants to choose first?
Me.
Me!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Alright, close your eyes and put your hand in and you could choose. Okay. Okay.
Which one's
That
it?
one.
Can I open my eyes?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's right there.
This one, I know. I'm just trying to.
Korea.
Well, I don't know if I'm saying it right. I'll just insert the name there, but we're gonna be trying these first. Okay, you ready?
I'm not ready.
I don't think there's anything spicy in the box, so you're good.
Okay, because I don't like
It has nuts in it.
Yeah, it has peanuts. None of us are allergic to that, so that's good.
Thank God.
I think I'm not allergic.
It's called saltas
Key.
croquettes. Crumpets.
Crumpets.
Oh my God, they look so cute. Go get one.
Okay.
Oh, they smell like
Oh, it smells.
peanut butter. Hold
Peanut
on.
butter. I like peanut butter.
It looks like
Oh my gosh.
Wait, not yet, not yet.
There's like
chicharrón.
And it has a little shape as a crocodile.
I'm holding
If I
mine.
don't like it,
It looks like a
comment
gecko.
below
It
and
looks like a
subscribe to our
gecko.
What the
channel.
Alright, ready?
It's like a gecko.
Okay.
Wait, we need a bag just in case if no one likes it and they need to spit.
I know.
Hold on.
If I don't.
Alright, ready?
To our YouTube channel.
Here's a bag, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
They don't have no taste.
Flavor.
They're good though.
They taste peanut buttery and
Well,
crispy,
they're
but
They're good.
they don't usually have flavor.
Yeah.
What do you rate them, Delilah? 1 out of 10.
I give them a 10 out of 9. 10 out of 9.
So 9 out of 10?
I'm 9 out of 10.
What about you, April?
I do like it. I guess an 8.
You did, Jasmine?
I'll give it a 7 because like
It doesn't have a lot of flavor.
But it's good. It's like.
I give it an 8 because it's good, but I don't really taste the peanut butter that much.
But it's
you know?
like
Yeah.
light, you know?
Yeah. You don't want it?
Nah.
it reminded me of
You want a
traveling
juice?
food.
No, just eat
It
it.
doesn't really taste like that good.
Okay.
It just tastes
My turn.
Close your eyes, gentlemen.
Okay.
It reminded me
dig
of
your hand
travel. It reminded me of traveling food. I hate cookies.
Yeah, like what do you get at the airport?
Okay,
Oh,
cool.
what is this one? Cook. Okay.
Cook.
Right here.
That one is from South Korea. It is a Crown Victory cookie. It just has chocolate and almond, so it's
Almond is fine, but
I love
I like
that.
more chocolate. So it has more chocolate than less almond.
oh shit, it's broken.
Oh, it's a 10
Oh,
out
it
of 10.
smells good. It's a 10 out of 10. Okay,
Wow, she
Wait, let me
hasn't
smell
tried
it.
it.
Let me smell it.
It's all broken already.
I got the chocolatey part.
Christ.
Let's see, I got the chocolatey part. Let's eat it.
Wait, not yet.
Wait,
I'm
wait for
hungry.
Julian.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
These are so good. They're so delicious. I give it a 100 out of 100.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Very
You want
bomb.
a piece?
Mm-hmm.
A 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
Everybody, a 10 out of 10?
A 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that one was. See, I picked
Like
a
the
good
good
one.
word chocolate fanatics. That's like.
I know. Your turn, Jasmine. April. Close your eyes.
I think you're gonna have some more.
You can have the cookie later, or
Yeah,
we'll
I'm
see.
gonna have a cookie.
All the way through.
Can I?
Try to see what
Later,
April.
we'll get it.
Yeah, let's all learn go.
Oh, the ones at the bottom are thick.
It looks like a chocolate bar.
She got Chicky Crispy from South Rica. It's a crispy cookie.
I thought
Probably
it
like
was
a
South Korea.
Rice Krispie.
It looks.
It looks good. It has chocolate. I think that's what we all said. It looks good. It has chocolate.
What's it?
Wait, is
What the?
it all stuck together? Or is this one cookie?
We should just split them in half.
Is it just one cookie?
Oh, it smells bomb, Delilah. You're
Let's
gonna
see.
like it.
No, sister, I think it's all
Okay, never mind. Here you go.
It doesn't smell that good, but let's see how it
Okay.
I guess I'll let Delilah taste it. If she doesn't like it, I'll taste it.
Yeah. Okay.
What about Jen? Oh,
I was gonna.
oh
Here,
you're sharing
wait.
it?
Yeah, we'll share it. Go. Okay, bite it, bite it,
No,
bite it.
we'll share it. You guys share it.
I smelled it before.
Mmm.
Yeah. Not good.
It tastes
You're
like
gonna
the
spit it out?
Mm-hmm. Put it out.
And then, you don't like it?
Nuh-uh.
good.
The chocolate doesn't even. This.
You finish
It
it.
tastes like
They
the Mexican
ruined
cookies.
the chocolate.
Like it has that like a raspberry taste to it, like a raspberry chocolate taste to it.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
What do you give it?
10 out of 10.
A 9. It's good, but
A
it's
0 out of 0. It doesn't taste the best.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
Okay, let me go deep because in the deep end,
That's fine.
it's
Yeah,
one of
that's
the
it
best.
really came out of the deep end.
Oh, the deep end watches are diving.
Boy, if you don't
Oh.
I'll never meet
Okay,
a
okay,
break.
okay.
Wait. What
It's
one
like
is
these
it?
cookies.
You
Oh,
got. It is from Argentina.
Oh, it's like the
Oblitas dulces de leche waffles.
it's like the chocolate cookies
Waffles.
from Mexico.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be good. Oh yeah. Okay, shit. You guys
I'm
are
done with this.
20 years later. Sure. Okay, just be careful. These are really. Oh shit! It's a big ass. Oh no, wait, never mind.
It's a crunchy.
No. Oh, they're tiny.
Don't we get those?
Yeah, here.
Don't we get those whenever we put our
Put your
shoes
hand
on?
flat.
Yeah, we get this for Dia de Reyes.
Oh, I love these. I love these. I just.
I almost ate
This
it.
is our Dia
Oh, wait.
de Reyes present.
I almost ate it.
I sniffed it and the cookie went in my nose. Okay, you guys can taste it.
I smelled it too.
Oh my god!
Hell
I love
yeah.
it. I love it.
It's so bomb. 10 out of 10.
It's nothing.
Okay, so you ready, gentlemen? 10 nothing. That one? Okay.
Let
Oh,
me see.
it is from Chile. They're candies.
Can I see? They look like gummy bears.
They look like
It's funny
caramelos.
It's
feel
funny
like
we've been
Jell-O.
eating everything. We haven't even showed them what it is.
I know.
Well, I think I'm the only one that showed off, but it
I know,
wasn't
you're
at
like-
the bar, like
It's
Okay.
strawberry.
Or lo que caiga.
look at Kaigo.
No.
This is fresa, strawberry.
Everybody
Yay.
gets strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay.
Oh, we're all trying strawberry?
I guess so,
we're
yeah.
doing that.
You
Yeah.
want
Oh
it?
shit.
I
You're
want-
right. I squished it. I was like, oh shit, you're right.
It smells good.
Oh, it's
It
like a
has
gummy.
sugar. It has sugar on top of it.
Ready?
Sorry, I almost ate it.
Okay.
Bless you. Okay, go.
1, 2,
Mm.
What?
Thank you, sister.
Thanks.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I'm not getting the flavor.
Strawberry.
That's right. It's like literally. It's good. I give it a 10 out of 10. I really like it. It's so
Mhm.
chewy.
I don't
It's soft. I like soft gummies.
You didn't like it?
really care. I like them.
I kind of liked it, but it didn't have any flavor, so I'll give it
What do
a
you mean?
5 out of
I mean,
5.
it's not like, you know, the flavor is not.
But I mean, sometimes that's good.
That is
Sometimes it's
good. No,
too-
it's good in a gummy
Sugary.
candy. It's good.
It's
good.
Oh. Look, I take it.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
boy, if you don't get
I guess this is in the
You
way.
could have just moved it.
Potato chip?
A potato flew around my
potato flew around.
room.
They look like
It is from España.
I'm trying to see what it is.
Torres black
No, no, no,
toffee
I ain't doing
chips.
Ow. Fluffy chips.
Toffee chips.
Oh.
Taffy
I
chips?
like this stuff.
I thought you said
Truck chips.
Oh shit. Oh, it smells good. Smells like regular papas.
Are they,
Can I
cookies?
taste? Okay, this one. Okay.
I
It
saw
smells
the big
so-
one.
It smells good. It
smells
smells like really,
Ready?
really good.
I'm trying to
One, two, three.
Preparados.
a lot of onion.
Garlic.
It has garlic like the.
That's bomb.
Everybody loves garlic.
It's good. I like it.
Price.
That's bomb.
It's strong.
It's strong in the beginning, but
It's strong garlic, like, oof.
Well, that shit was good.
But
I thought
Sure, I won't.
I thought it was
Hold on.
Right there.
Nice, Judy.
Italy.
Yay!
Italy.
Cookies and cream waffle bites. Smooth vanilla filling. Mm.
Are so. They're
Look
like
how
twigs.
cute it is.
They're like twigs.
I can't even see.
Sorry, baby.
Pebble
1,
Lake.
2, 3.
When we go to Paris, we need to get the
They're like the ones that we bought at Family Dollar.
The waffles.
Mhm.
The thingies.
There, you guys made it.
10 out of 10.
I keep kicking this one.
Yeah.
It tastes like Cocoa Puffs.
Do you like it?
Not a lot.
No.
It was like.
I'll still, oh no.
It was a 9 out of 10. Okay. I'm not
Okay, I
gonna
like
be
that Cocoa
rude, but
Crispy.
it doesn't taste like really good.
I tried to steal it.
It doesn't have
Okay,
boundaries.
we'll come back. Intermission.
Ding.
I like you. I don't give a about your girlfriend. Oh wait, you don't have a girlfriend. Come on, let's link and do what I do. Why are you all the way over there? You're not coming out.
Come on, lady. Bring.
Jen knew the flavor. I mean the boxing of it. Oh wait, where's my paper? My book. Okay. These are from Turkey. Iced tea imported from Turkey. Let's see. Some was imported from Spain.
Please.
Turkey imported from something.
Some
Towels.
Towels imported from Turkey.
Yeah.
And Turkey imported from Spain.
Towels imported from Turkey, and Turkey imported from Maine.
Oh my gosh, it's so long. It's so long.
It smells so good. It smells weird.
We could use tape for
It's
this.
like medicine.
It smells like from the Pacific.
Ready?
From the Pacific.
It smells sweet, like
It's
cotton
Like kind of
candy.
like medicine.
2, 3.
Oh my god.
Ew.
It's like
Let's let you hear them.
It is the ASMR part of the video.
I give it like a gummy out of gummy.
Oh shit.
Online, just because it's hard to chew,
I'll give it a 6.
but it's delicious though.
That's okay.
Take this.
I thought people were staring at
It
me.
I give it,
tastes like
7.
The thing is, with being a big sister, you get the leftovers.
Not bad though.
I like you. Now you about your boyfriend. Come on, let's link and do what I do. No.
It's right away.
Okay.
Oh, you got big potatoes.
These are
I've been wanting to
from
They look like rings.
They look like onion rings.
Single Ladies.
Ah, the single lady.
Israel. Pot and Co. pizza rings.
Trying to fit.
Excuse me.
Thank God Mom's not here.
Mommy, it's just a lot of food makes
Okay,
you
get a
work.
pizza ring.
Sorry, I wanted to smell it.
It's fine.
I want a pizza.
Okay, get a pizza
Oh,
ring.
yeah.
It smells spicy.
Oh yeah.
No. It smells like pizza. That's why you have
but
your
if
water.
it's spicy, I have to get a lot of water.
Okay, that's fine.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh.
Ready, guys?
I'm kidding.
It does
One,
like pizza.
3.
Mmm.
Mm.
You see, it's not spicy.
It was good though.
It tastes like a hot pocket.
I think
Like
I'm a
the
bus.
Tostitos.
the
The sense
the
of
pizza
my mouth,
rolls.
Yeah.
it tasted like that.
Hot Pockets?
Those peanuts that
Yeah,
are
I
kind
have the
of
hot pocket
spicy.
taste.
The peanuts that I.
We're all talking about hot pockets and toast.
Oh, corn nuts.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah, it does taste like corn nuts.
Your turn, April.
Can I have one more?
Later.
I'll be like Delilah.
Close your eyes.
yeah. Oh no.
Oh, by the way, this video is not sponsored. We just.
We just made
We're
it.
just
We're just
hungry.
Marshmallows?
What is it?
I don't know.
I'm trying to see. Let me see. Why don't you people?
It is from Japan.
It's hard.
Why don't you people?
Stop moving
It's
it.
a hard to.
The trash can's right
What
there.
is it?
Bite.
I mean, you bite it first.
I don't wanna. I'm scared.
I'll see from
They're
there.
close to you.
I'm really, really scared. I don't know why.
That's good.
Okay. I had to see you try it first because she like.
Just in case if anything happens to me. It's good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You wanna just taste a little corner? A little
It's
corner.
fluffy, crunchy.
A little corner.
There you go.
Yeah.
It was okay.
Okay, drink your water.
Here, that's why you have water.
Okay. I want to do one.
It was good.
I give it a 10 out of 10. I like it.
I do too.
I give it a
It's too
3.
cheesy.
Three.
It's too cheesy.
Too cheesy?
It reminds me of like the shrimp chips. It has that fluff.
Oh, those are bomb. Hell yeah. Mango pina.
Mango pina.
Tough it.
I bet you our breath's gonna smell like different country food. We're like, oh yeah.
This is from Chile.
Different countries.
Different.
It doesn't smell like an airport.
No, I don't want to smell your breath.
Why not?
You want to share it? Because I don't think we'll like it. Oh, me and her.
And me and
Them.
her?
Yeah.
I don't really.
I mean, it's good. It smells good,
Yeah,
but
but it smells
because
like
macaron.
Mango.
Mmm.
It's a macaron.
because
It's too peachy.
mango. It's mango.
I don't
It's
know.
good,
I like it.
but I just wouldn't. You have it. I wouldn't eat it by myself.
I can
That
breathe.
makes sense.
I can
Like a
breathe.
botana with everybody.
Where is this from?
Chile.
Nice.
I know. Like an air freshener in your mouth.
You don't have chicle, just eat one of those.
Something already.
And at this moment, she knew she wasn't gonna get
oofed
fed
up.
no more. This is from Israel too. This is a cupcake chocolate.
Israel?
It has a chocolate feeling. I keep forgetting to show the food to the fucking camera.
I only feel like
I forgot the camera was in front of us.
What the? Oh shit, it's a big ass cupcake, y'all.
Whoa!
Look at this. It's good. It smells like that Mexican one. The
What the
with
circle?
the
Yeah,
blue
yeah.
wrapping. Uh-huh.
With the white little thing on
Wanna
top of
smell
it. The one with the white little thing.
Yeah, with
yeah,
white frosting on it.
And the penguins. Yeah, there you
Yeah.
go.
I just want it.
I was gonna say with the white thing.
Does that have a raisin?
No. A raisin
Why
flavor?
didn't you set the raisin part?
Tastes okay.
It's good. I like it.
I'm nice. I feel like I still have the flavor of the other cookie.
Tastes okay.
It's not too chocolatey.
Yeah,
Yeah, but that's what not sets the
I
atmosphere.
give it a 9.
What?
Out of 10.
That's what not sets the atmosphere. That's why the stars aren't aligned.
Because the chocolate has.
Me.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Oh
I
shit!
wanted to pick those. I wanted to pick those because they look so cute.
This is from Japan.
Oh,
Delilah. This is why I don't put you in any videos.
Oh, you have to make it.
Mother trucker.
let's go
I
to
think
the
you need a
kitchen.
container thing to make it.
Yeah. Okay, what are the instructions?
Sorry. I know.
Okay. I'm gonna add some water.
Whose foot is touching my
Sorry.
One,
Tears,
two.
tears.
Tears or
Wait,
cheers?
Before, tears me because I can't look behind you.
And three. Get the bag close to you.
Taylor medicine.
They can stand it.
Sorry.
Delilah.
No, as a kid I used to like medicine, so.
Are you guys trying to trick us in drinking medicine?
Good?
Are you God?
It was okay.
Country trying to get us
Not
scared?
Not
It tastes like that good bubblegum medicine.
How's
That's
it
just-
good, April?
That's what I
So
said.
letting you guys know, but it's a very
It
strong
makes
taste.
it move.
it's kind of like tingly sour.
Move, Jack.
It is tingly.
What do you give it out of
A 0 out of 10.
Delilah?
A bubblegum out of a bubble.
Real number, girl.
A cinco.
Lala.
I give it a 2.
It was fun.
It wasn't that bad, yeah.
It was a fun.
Experiment.
Wait,
Close
we
your
haven't ended.
Huh?
We haven't ended. What about me?
You
already
chose
did.
the ice cream thing.
I didn't even remember. It's been like a long time ago.
We got popcorn. Popcorn.
I'm eating ice cream.
Guess what I mean? Popcorn.
From Israel.
Israel.
I like that. I like how it
That's how
sounds.
you talk.
Is
I
it
like how it
popcorn
sounds.
or is it meat pops?
Is it like pizza?
Meat
Zoo,
pops.
zoo,
Suzuzu.
No!
Suzuzu.
I thought we already finished that song
Meat
already.
pops
It's so
are
nice.
custom. Yum, yum, yum.
It smells like Carmela.
What the fuck? Ready?
Caramelo
One,
pops.
2, 3.
It's caramelly.
Hey, not that bad.
It's good. I like it.
Is it kind of like caramel?
I
Yeah.
don't like anything. I'm
Not like, I don't like caramel. Don't you know I don't
You're
like
not invited to the next party. Alright, close your eyes. Oh, what did you guys give it out of
A
10?
10 out of 10. I like it.
Real numbers.
I know.
A 9 out of 9.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, me too.
It was good. Ow.
Close your eyes. Sorry, gentlemen.
Why would
Oh my gosh. What the hell? This is like the biggest item in that box, and I was going
That
for
was the
something
left.
else.
These are from Indonesia. Mini waffle bites.
That's not even
Chocolate. It just pops out.
Chocolate.
Finally, I get to smell first. It smells good.
not a lot.
Go get one. And get one for the Lila too.
That's so weird.
It smells like coffee.
I almost ate it. I was gonna
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It tastes like a fancy chocolate cake.
Tastes kind of like medicine.
Is it dark chocolate?
It tastes just like medicine.
I'm not a fan of dark chocolate. I mean, it's okay.
Sorry, I'm tired.
It's okay.
It's dark chocolate, huh?
Alright,
Alright, we got 4 more. 4 more.
my turn.
Alright, everybody close your eyes at the same time. Turn around. Wait, not yet. Turn around.
You didn't like it?
Wait, no, I said turn around. What the? Well, turn your hand or your head.
Ostrich.
They went. Okay, everybody close your eyes.
Turn around.
Everybody close your eyes. Put your hand in the box. Wait, wait.
I
Wait. Turn this way then. Turn this way. There you go. Put your hand in the box. Everybody put your hand. Delilah, close your eyes. Put your hand in the box. Wait. Okay. Hurry up and choose one. Okay. Wait, no, it's too bad. You chose that one. Close your eyes, April. Ready? Go. I'm trying to hold my hand. I was trying to hold your hand. All right, we all chose one. Okay, just
I was aiming for this one though.
okay.
I
So
wanted to
They look like hard
it's
candy.
fine. We're gonna open yours first, okay?
They look like hard candy.
Try to.
Well, my sister got is this strawberry.
Wait, not
No, we're trying this one first.
How did I get an apple?
We're doing yours first. It's from United States of America. I'll bleep it out.
What is that?
Here's the Lila. It looks like a corn.
I don't know why I got
Here's your
veggies.
corn.
I don't know why
It looks like corn for
I
real.
don't know
I want
why
my
I
corn
got
in the
this
cold.
veggie stick.
It's fine. Here's your
corn.
corn.
No, very nice.
It doesn't smell.
No.
It's like so tiny.
Look at
it
my
looks like
farmers.
It looks like a corn.
a Tic Tac.
You want corn, people? Here, I got you.
Oh wait, I've already put
It
it in
looks
my
like corn.
mouth.
Alright, we'll go. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, is it supposed to be like?
That's bomb.
Good job, Leo.
Yeah, I think so.
It's apple. I'm about to steal
It's
an
good
apple.
though. It's like when you want something sweet,
It tastes like in Mexico, you know, the
Wait.
spraying ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's fine.
Me.
I'm
Damn it, April, sorry.
I'm used to it.
Hurry.
I'm used to it.
Okay, Jasmine, she got some sour smog balls.
Sour
Smog
balls.
balls.
She got balls. This is from Pakistan.
Tell us this. I like the apple.
Don't open it yet.
I was gonna have it open so you could just show it and then. It's hard, yeah.
I know, there's like hard
Open
candy.
it.
Wait,
Choppers don't eat.
Here, Delilah.
Is it bubble?
Like lava.
It smells good.
Are these M&Ms?
Why do they smell like my markers? No, but like,
Sorry.
but like the.
I don't know if you could chew these, so eat them slowly, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
After you could choose them.
Oh, you can't chew them.
Mm-mm. Probably like a
Did you
jawbreaker.
I got it.
No, don't,
Don't
do
chew
it.
it.
Don't break it. Plum bite it.
Or you'll break your teeth.
I think I got apple.
We're good.
Not that bad.
To save it.
Charlie,
This is
the chocolate
my
pancake.
Willy Wonka.
It's not gum. It's good. I give it a 10 out of 10.
Mm.
Did you hear what I said? Like Willy Wonka.
I'm just kidding.
I see you.
I see you riding, grinding up on the floor. What do you give it, Delilah?
A 10 out of 10.
Oh, damn, Delilah, you grew up. Jasmine, what do you give it?
Mm-hmm.
I'll put makeup.
I'll give it a 5 out of 5.
You're delicious.
Okay. You can put it in your cup or...
A 5 out of 5.
My cup is
Okay, what April got was Frida.
Frida
Frida
Kahlo.
Kahlo.
She owes me a cup. She owes me a cup.
Okay. This is from Germany.
Yay.
Oh, shit.
I got my cheese.
I know, that's how
big?
like,
Oh.
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 Is it gum?
I don't know. Maybe Laffy Taffy?
Lappy tappy girl.
Girl, shake that Laffy Taffy.
Bring
That
your
Laffy Taffy. Oh, I'm singing the OG Laffy Taffy.
Bring your
Oh shit, I was already.
Wait, I need a gift.
I'm gonna make it into
Okay,
a wig.
ready? 1, 2, 3.
I can't taste.
It looks like a tongue. Like shape it into a tongue.
Yeah, it's like Laffy Taffy.
I'm gonna shape it into a tongue.
Okay.
It's a okay.
It really doesn't have a flavor.
What?
It's good. Hold up. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
It's
I give it a 3 out of 10.
fun too.
But I still finish.
Really?
I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because it's fun to play with.
You're supposed to eat it.
Oh, wait, really?
An ocho.
But this is
I give it a
tongue.
10.
Look at my tongue.
Okay, finish it. So we
Okay.
can move on to the next one.
Oh, I thought our tongue's color changed a lot.
It was good.
Okay. Last but not least,
Me pop.
Hey!
I don't think there has been anything that was like disgusting.
What?
Yeah.
I mean, to you guys, but to me and Julia, I think maybe.
because we're older.
They're old.
Okay, this one is from Germany, the last one.
Hey. There's a lot of Germany and like the same, almost the same one.
There's a lot of German.
Well, this is the last one that we chose
We
because
should have got
we have the
Switzerland.
finale. Well, it's random ones.
Okay.
Was that rainbow?
If you don't want it, throw it in the trash.
You don't want it.
Throw it in the trash.
I'll take it.
It's good.
Here, Lila.
Just look at my tongue.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Show it to the
Looks like you
camera.
guys did it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Not peach.
We all got peach.
No, she got apple, I think.
Oh.
And she got strawberry.
You didn't like it?
Wait, I haven't even tasted it.
Bite it from the
Good.
side, good.
I like it. 10 out of 10.
Oh,
Oh!
the bites. That was gonna be harder.
I got strawberry.
Apple, I think. Mhm.
I got strawberry. I
Green
got
apple.
the strawberry taste.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Yeah, it's good.
I have 10 out of 10.
I thought it was good. 10 out of 10.
Everybody's
We're just waiting for the Lila to finish her so we could go to the finale.
Okay.
Well, close your eyes, Delilah. This one's the finale one. Close your eyes. Oh, Delilah.
Oh!
Wait, you gotta close your eyes, Delilah. It's a surprise for you.
She's just a fanatic of that brand.
I thought she was gonna say that baby.
A
So I
snack.
was like, oh.
That baby.
Okay.
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 Thank you.
Now can I open my eyes?
Yeah. Okay, this one I'm gonna give it to you, but you have to eat it with your eyes closed and tell me what you think it is.
Okay.
That baby.
I don't know if you're gonna like it though, okay? So
This is right.
I'm scared.
No.
I feel like I'm at the dentist.
what at the dentist?
I know.
What kind of dentist?
Okay.
Stretch your hand, Jasmine.
Okay. Open your mouth. Bite it. Bite it.
Hey.
Bite it.
Hey. That's the tip I got from the dentist.
Oh, okay, well, okay, bite into this side. Sorry. She's jamming.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
What is it? You can open your eyes now. What is it?
It's
What does it taste like, Delilah?
I don't know, but it tastes just like Nutella.
Yeah, it is. Look. Nutella be ready.
Where's that from? LA?
Can I keep
I know, I
it?
didn't even say.
Can I keep it?
Poland.
It reminds me of those chocolates with the nuts that someone loves a lot.
I'll be
I don't know. It
mom.
tastes so
The
familiar.
Ferrero Rocher.
Yeah, the Ferrero Rocher. That's what she.
I finished.
What do you give it? Out of 100.
100.
Oh, what is
Wait,
taller than 100 and a million?
A million.
Like gazillion.
Infinity.
A
A
gazillion.
trillion.
An infinity.
A Phineas and Ferb.
And a Candace too.
No. What is higher than
Candace against the universe.
Infinity plus infinity.
Infinity and beyond. Jinx, you want me to shake?
And that is.
Thank you.
And that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Comment down if you want to see my sisters in any more videos. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Join the family. All my socials will be linked down in the description. And
Bye.
yeah.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Anything you guys want to say? Thank you. Oh. Okay. Peace out.
Club going to
Boy Scout. What the?
Cause you're on my knee.
My underwear gets a wedgie.
I like you. Now go about your girlfriend. Come on, let's link and do what I do. Okay.